good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. It's been a difficult journey up to this point. Raining last night. I managed to get to a restaurant and get some shelter. Put the rain jacket on to keep warm, and eventually, found space quite late on. But today is going to be another long day. It's meant to be 200k. Let's just see how it goes, really. Well, I've happened to cross this place. It doesn't open until 9 o'clock. It's only 10 to 8, so I'm super early. I feel like I'm mucking around, getting out early in the dark and everything. I could just have a lay in, see if there's a way of sneaking in somewhere, or just go around. Right, spend some time doing that, I guess. So I've just doubled back on myself. That's where I was down there. I can make it a left somewhere. Hopefully it'll go somewhere. If not, I'll just go back to I'll just turn around and go through the park, and by the time we get there, we're open again. It wouldn't be an adventure if something didn't go wrong. Never did get out. There was like a huge fence all the way around, deer fence. There's no way I could get my bike up and down it. Managed to find a little fence, one with like 3 wires across. Right, let's make sure it's not electric. Lift my bike over, back on track again. Oh, what a nightmare. So I've just had breakfast, or rather brunch, at this lovely place here. Finally got to the other side of the national park. So I'm currently, look at the map. Oh, that's where the entrance was. I tried to get in, and I am currently here. I've already decided though, in terms of the Audax, I'm just going to keep riding until I've had enough today. It's meant to be 200 tomorrow as well, but it just depends really how I feel and how far I'll get. I'm just going to ride as far as I feel, to be honest. It's meant to be a holiday. So just like yesterday, today has started off with lots of woodland trails, but it won't be a day full of this. God, cold going down here. What a difference a day makes. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is. But if I try and hold it level, there's the curve. Oh. So just south of Appledorn. Let's check out today's profile, shall we? Get the right screen. As you can see, it's pretty much flat. A couple of spikes in there, and a spike at the beginning as we're coming off the national park. watched the previous episode, I was showing you how these are everywhere out in the Netherlands and the rural countryside where there's horses about. I use everywhere loosely, but yeah, often there's sandy tracks like this, not all the way sand, sometimes just forest trail, but they're right alongside the cycleways. Close enough to 100k. I was going to go get somewhere a little bit closer, about 95k, but look at this place here. Just thought, perfect, I'm just going to have lunch. Just been to the shop, so I've got plenty of food and drink. So what bounty we've got today? I always think about bugles when I'm over here, so I've got bugles. Got some ham and cheese left over from yesterday, I don't know if that's going to be alright. Green tea, yoghurt, more ham in case the other one's rank, a couple buns, and I'm carrying this since yesterday as well. Coca-Cola. I think that's it. Yep, time to tuck in with these beautiful surroundings. Nice and peaceful. I'm gonna avoid the meat. It's not looking as pink as it was. I don't know what colour it was before, but I bought and I just used my fresh stuff. Not after throwing up last night. Cheese is cheese, that'd be alright. So in this woods, there's people walking around with like sticks with like a ball in it, and they're just like throwing it around or something. Don't know what they're doing. Looks a bit suspect to me. So what I'm gathering, they're throwing a ball along the road or something. And somebody just shouted "car," and there's a couple of people walking around with bags of conkers. Well, like bags of conkers. I'm assuming that's what they are. And then there's a woman at the back, probably in her 90s or something, or like 70s, arms behind her back, like, you know, like being a referee kind of thing, making sure the boys are not cheating. Sun's coming out. Awesome. I suppose, to prove it to you, so it's always hard to catch on camera, there are hills in the Netherlands. Can't even remember when I spoke to you last. It was hours ago. Just been cracking on, getting the miles done. I'm now in Germany, heading north out of Germany. Long cycleway. It started out 11k. Infrastructure between the Netherlands and the neighbouring country of Germany. It's like night and day, really. Obviously, they're no longer red. They're not necessarily as well maintained. This one is a good example of a well maintained cycle lane, but the last one, which went on for ages, wasn't. Narrow, overgrown, not what I've been used to. And of course the signage is all different. I don't think you have priority on the junctions. There are some similarities, like the setbacks of the junctions and some of them, so you don't have to cock your neck around so much and drivers can get out. Obviously they've got bus, bike sounds at the bus stops there, which is a good sign. And I didn't even see the border. I think it was the bridge at Coevorden. It has all been on cycleways, don't get me wrong, it's just the standard of. I'm going to take a shortcut there. Hey folks, start day 5 and it's going to be a late start because I needed to sleep and it's raining outside as well. I need to charge some batteries and stuff, so I'm just take my time to do that. Hopefully day 5 is going to be a better day. We're a little bit further than planned yesterday, so I've eaten into the route today. Should be a good one heading into Friesland. Anyway, that's all. Come up in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it and you want to watch the next episode. Give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Coming up next time on Bikepacking the Netherlands. Started this trip on the first day of autumn and I love this time of year. I can hear thunder, I can't linger. It's 7:15 in the morning. I put a tent up. Absolutely awful night. Very high winds, lots of rain.
Yeah, in my dark